Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see one of our applications. This application will let you connect your Google Sheets or your spreadsheets in Google Sheet with your store automatically. So, with no further, let's go and see this application. Click on Applications and you will see Google Sheet Applications. And if you don't find the application here, just go and click on market.storeino.com. Then search for Google Sheet application. Click on it like this, and it's only $5. And if you need to choose the language, go to the footer and click on English, so the language will be changed. Click on Get the App and select the $5 monthly pack like this, and then select your store and click on Next, and then pay this $5 and complete your purchase and install the application. It's really easy to install. After you install the application, just go to your application like this and click on Google Sheet application. Now I have already connected my Google Sheet, so I will delete and disconnect the Google Sheet. First of all, click on Google APIs and Services. So we could go and set up a new app in the Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, you need to create a project. I've already created a project like this, but let's go and create a project together. I'm gonna click on New Project and name it, for example, Storeino Google Sheet. Then click on Create like this. Now the project has been created. I'm gonna click on Select Project like this. And if I click on this tab, you will see that the project Storeino Google Sheet has been created. Directly go and click on Credentials. Then go and click on Create Credentials and choose Authorization Client ID. You will see that we need to set up a product name and click on Configure Consent Screen like this. Then choose External and click on Create. After that, give your app a name, for example, Storeino Sheet, and choose your email, and you can add a app logo and all of this, and click on Save and Continue. Again and again, and back to dashboard. After you completing setting up your app, don't forget to click on Publish App like this and click on Confirm. As you see now, our application has been published. We will go and click on Credentials like this and click on Create Credential and Authorization Client ID. After that, select Web Application and name your web application as you like and click on Add URL and Authorized Redirect URL. Go back to your Google Sheet account and copy this URL right here. Then paste it here and click on Create. Now our authorization client has been created. Copy your client ID and paste it in your Google Sheet application, and also copy the client secret and paste it there and click on Connect. As you see now, we have been connected to our Google Sheet. Choose your Google account, then click on Allow in both of these and click on Continue. So we could access to Google Sheet. As you see now, we have been connected our Google Sheet application. After that, click on Add New and give a name to your sheet. For example, Storeino Test Sheet. Then choose the variables you wanna include in that sheet. First name, last name, email, phone. You can choose whatever you like in this tab and click on Submit like this. As you see now, we have created this sheet right here. You're gonna click on this button right here and choose this one and click on Submit. Now let's see how we can connect an existing Google Sheet or an existing sheet to our store. For example, I'm gonna click on blank like this just for test purposes, and I'm gonna choose or copy this ID right here. This is the ID of our sheet. Click on copy and go to your Storeino, click on add new and choose connecting to existing sheet and paste the ID there like this, and of course choose your fields and click on submit. As you see, the test sheet has been created. Click on this button right here and click on submit so you could fetch all the data to that sheet. As you see, now we have been updated this sheet and any new data will be available in this sheet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.